Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Life with MaryAnn and Joe. Thanks for stopping by today. My name is Joe if you just stumbled on me, and we're all about seasonal decorating and other things that are going on in our life, a lot of gardening this time of the year. And today I just wanted to finish up my end of spring kind of decorating what I did. For those of you that didn't catch my other videos, please do so. I did a really light, springy decor on my dining room table that you might want to check out. And today I'm just going to show you a couple of other things that are left over that, maybe we can share together. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so like I had told you, I left the arrangement that I made for Easter on the mantle in the music room because I thought it still had a really great spring vibe. So it can stay there for the, I guess until about mid-June or something like that. And then I'll change that out and I'll tone that down a little bit. But I thought it was pretty for the remainder of the springtime. Here in the foyer, I simply added, if you remember, I had a lot of stuff going on underneath the table right here. I deleted all of that. Actually, I used it for the window because it was very much garden looking stuff. And here, I just put this urn with these beautiful branches that are just beginning to bud right now. So, very spring, iconic looking. And down here, I put a very light kind of a dish, and I use these green minty marbles in here to offset this beautiful urn. Now these were a gift to us. They're kind of spent right now, so they'll be deleted and I'll add something else in there, or I'll delete that entirely, but right now it is still sitting there and I kind of like it there. As you come into the family room, you see what I did was I started to use, in here I have a lot of green and beige, and I brought the orange out because I really do love the orange, and I only use it a lot of times during the fall. And hey, why not use it all the time? Because I really like it. So we're going to use it here. Now on this table, I kept it really simple. I used these 3 different kinds of glass bottles right here, and they have a beautiful green glow to them, again, which is one of the theme colors that I'm using in this room. And I put this picture of MaryAnn and myself right here, this fun picture that we did on one of our cruises, and I used it because I'm wearing green, and it has that vibe of what I'm going for. And I just put a starfish there to remind us that, hey, that was on one of our beautiful cruises. So here in my last video, I think if you follow me, you know I did the wall unit right here. And I spent a lot of time doing this, and I put a lot of thought into it. And I just shopped at home. I didn't go out and buy anything. It has, I used a lot of books, and in here you see I did use a lot of blues and greens, and I just had to turn that lamp on because the lamp was off. And I introduced copper in here because the copper had the color, that orangey color that I was introducing into the room. Now, the inspiration for that, to use the orange, comes from the rug down here, which has a lot of that burnt kind of an orange look, along with the greens and the beiges. So I picked that up and I went with it. I introduced the green pillows as well as these velvet burnt orange kind of pillows, and the beiges in the couch. And you can see that it's even present within the artwork right here, which has the green, a slight blues in it, and a little bit of the orange. Hey, somebody told me on one of my last videos that my artwork looked a little bit grandma. So, hey, whoever said that out there, if you want to start a GoFundMe page for me for all new artwork like you told me I needed, hey, I'd be gladly accept that from you. And also right here you can see I added one simple pear in there. Now, I'm going to show you where else I use that. Here on the coffee table, as you can see, is I tried to keep it kind of light, and what I did was I used this large glass bowl right here, as well as this glass bowl right here, where you can see I added in the pears here because they have the green color that I love. And take a look at the books I put on the table right here. They have the shells, which have that orange color, and the book underneath also carries through with that orange. And then right in the rest of the room, I just simply sprinkled a little bit of that beige and orange. You can see in this piece right here, there's a little bit of orange with the orange plate, then the black and the white books. On the mantle, I simply added 2 green bowls, and I'm keeping it really simple. I'm not putting anything in there. And then down here on this side as well, you see the green little bowl with the orange, and then more. This has the pear motif on it as well. Okay, so, and of course this chair right here, I had to take a fan out because the other day it was 90 degrees in here, so I put the fan if you just saw that. You can see this chair that I have in this corner with the burnt orange throw and the green and the orange pillow. So that is my green and orange and beige motif for the spring. And I think I'm going to really enjoy that. I love these colors, and I'm going to enjoy this until I'm tired of it, and then I'll just change it again. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by today. As you can see, it's dark out. Actually, it's 12:30 a.m. right now as I'm videoing this. So I hope you all have a good day today, and I will be seeing you really soon with something. Okay, everybody, take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget, join our private Facebook group at Life with MaryAnn and Joe. Okay, bye-bye.